Have you seen those crazy realistic AI videos on social media lately? Most of them are made with Veo 3, Google's brand new AI video generator. It's like the next step after Sora, but faster, smarter, and free to use. Veo 3 can turn a simple text prompt into a cinematic short, complete with camera movements, lighting, and natural motion. And yeah, it looks insanely real. But wait, even though it's free, there's still one tiny problem: that watermark. Don't worry, today I will show you how you can use Veo 3 to make your own AI videos and use AI tools to remove the watermarks. First, let's generate AI videos using Veo 3. Go to Google Labs AI Video Generation tool and click Add New Project. Then type your prompt, describe the scene, mood, or camera angle you want. Here is Veo 3 model already. Choose the aspect ratio you need and hit the Next button. Your AI video will be ready in seconds. Download it and, yep, there's the watermark. So here are 2 easy ways to fix it. First, use avclabs Video Blur AI, which smartly removes or blurs the watermark while keeping your video crystal clear. Second, if the watermark does not affect the content of the picture, just use any video converter's crop video tool to trim out the watermark area without losing quality. So yeah, with Veo 3 and these helpful tools, you can make unlimited AI videos without watermark. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool tips.